Welcome back to Fun Fact Friday with Skill Sets Connect. Have you ever had the hiccups and wondered, why does this happen? Well, today, we're answering the age-old question, why do we hiccup? Let's dive in. So, hiccups. Those sudden, annoying hic sounds we make. What's going on inside your body when this happens? It all starts with your diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle just below your lungs. It helps you breathe by contracting when you inhale and relaxing when you exhale. But sometimes your diaphragm gets irritated and starts to spasm. This sudden movement causes you to suck in air quickly. And here's the kicker. Your vocal cords slam shut as the air rushes in, creating that classic hic sound. It's like your body's own little drum roll. But what irritates your diaphragm in the first place? It could be anything from eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, feeling stressed, or even laughing too hard. Sometimes it's your body's way of saying, hey, slow down. Here's a fun fact. The longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. A man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Talk about persistence. Wondering how to stop hiccups? People swear by tricks like holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or even getting scared. But really, most hiccups go away on their own. So, next time, just breathe easy. Literally. Thanks for joining us on this hiccup-filled adventure. If you loved learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Skill Sets Connect. We'll see you next week for another Fun Fact Friday. Until then, stay curious.